Hi guys, it's Courtney, and sorry I haven't uploaded in a little while. I've just been really busy with school, but now it's Christmas holidays and tomorrow it's Christmas Eve. I got my beautiful sister with me here.
Hello guys, again.
And today we're going to be showing our slime. I got glue today and I made 4 slimes ready. I got 250 milliliters to glue. I was going to get 4, but I didn't have enough money. Of course I didn't. My sister is already planning for beautiful slime. So I'm going to show you my supplies first. So I have my activator in this like lotion bottle. It's borax. I use borax in hot water and I just dip it out like that. Sometimes I have to
Which
shake
you
it.
can't do on her bed.
I know. I guess we're doing this on my bed, not on my desk. So this is one glue bottle. This is my second one.
I'm taking my slime.
Yes.
And
I've already
extra
kind of
slime.
used this one that's like half to make the 4 slimes. Honestly, they're really good slimes. And this one's still full.
And guys, my slime is butter slime. And it's really good stretching.
I put my clay in it. My clay! Okay, so this is the last slime that I made. It's just a plain white slime because I don't have any more colours. And it's like really sticky, but it's really good.
Can I feel Courtney?
No, it will stick to your hands really bad. I'm sorry. Plus, you have yours there.
Yeah.
Where's your blue slime?
Remember that was my blue slime.
Why would you put your blue slime in there for?
I don't know.
Because you're silly.
Because it was
Silly
really
Billy?
good.
Also, guys,
Merry Christmas to all of yours.
yes, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And also, I might be making a video on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. And Caprice promised that she would sleep up here. Hey, Caprice, promise?
Yes.
Pinky promise, never break a promise, because you will sleep up here and never break the promise.
And then a Pop's room.
Not in that Pop's room. In
Why?
my room, in here.
Why?
In here, so we can sleep together and we can talk together. Maybe. So that was the first slime. It's like, I'm gonna activate it more. Okay. Didn't know what you just said, but okay. It's gonna be. Yeah.
And our slime is really good. And if you have any good slimes, guys, you can
Send
show
them-
us.
If you have any like really bad slimes, just send them to us and we can fix them and we will send them back to you.
Maybe.
We will. Not maybe, we will. So this is my red slime. I know it looks like pink, it's just red.
Yeah, in the camera.
It's pink. Because the red doesn't work properly. And there was lots of bubbles in this. This is just white, clear PVA glue. White, not clear, just white PVA glue from Kmart. A Kmart that I went to at Browns Plains in Australia. It was $2 at the Kmart in Woodridge, Queensland, Australia. It was $1.50. Knock off. What?
Come
Luke? Making a video.
Making a video, Luke.
Hello.
We're making
What
a...
are you doing?
Stop it.
Get
So this is my orange slime.
Get out, Luke.
What's happening here?
This is my big brother, Luke.
Hey, how are you,
And it's so annoying.
You only have me demonetized.
You don't have it demonetized. You don't even monetize in the first place. You don't even have money.
You ready?
No bank card either. Oh.
What do you think monetize me?
What are you all
This is
making?
my yellow slime. And now it looks like white, but it's actually yellow.
Yeah.
It's actually white. She's just
No,
lying.
it's yellow.
And
It's yellow.
she added a filter.
It's yellow, Luke.
So, what's everyone's names on this YouTube channel?
Cots Petite Gaming. Go subscribe and like.
What's it called? Jillian's Gaming.
Well, sorry we have to put this video so short, but I will get back to you. Bye. Mwah.